Good afternoon and good evening to all. This is ISIL Academy YouTube channel, and this is Vinod, your curator, doctor who allows you to learn these videos. I'm using Excel User Series 3.0, video number 6. This is a continuation of video number 5, where we built a cross-tab data structure, where we build a row dimension in a unique list and a column dimension using unique and transpose. I'm about to build that furthermore here by adding the next list. So now I just move the data here, so let me just sort them all in one order, and you can see the data are getting sorted automatically. Now I want to get the quiz score of each and every one of them. Again, this can be done effectively if your data is in a proper order here. So now we can see that the data are coming beautifully and perfectly, and every sixth name of the student is Chantal, and every ninth name of the student is June. So everything is coming in a perfect order, and the quiz numbers are related in that. If it is jumbled, probably this might go for a toss. So now I'm going to use a logic called wrap column, and then I'm going to choose the scores that I want, and then I want to wrap the columns on the number of counts that I want. I have 5 counts here. I have 5 different students listed here, so I'm going to go and give a 5 and give a control enter. And this is a dynamic functionality. If I move this particular quiz 1 to quiz 3, I'm going to copy this, or I'm going to cut this and then add them in here. Automatically you can see that the data are getting jumbled by default here. So this auto updation of data will happen beautifully. If you want them to be in a particular order, then your data has to be in an order. So I'm going to go back to this data and sort them back again to normality. By that way the data are reordering automatically. So now whatever change that I'm doing into the base data here, and that's going to happen in my list here. So now I'm going to jumble them in descending order. Then you can see that the data are happening in a descending order. So let me just sort them in a descending order. Now you can see that the formulas are still intact, so we don't have the formula running throughout the data set. Only the first cell will have the formula. That's why the formulas will be grayed out here, because this is a dynamic array function with a spilled array in it, so you cannot able to sort them in a different dimension. So let me just try to sort them using a normal sort here. Let's see, it's not allowing you to do it. You cannot change the part of an array, so this won't allow you to sort the data that you are already doing it. You can either do that by using a sort function here. So I'm going to give a comma. I'm going to keep the order as descending order here. So I'll close the bracket and give an enter. That's going to sort the entire list here. But again, when I sort the data, my data is not happening. The sorting is not happening here. So I can just try to do a sort inside my data too. So now my data are picking up correctly, and that's going to give you a sort image. Let me see whether the data are coming properly here. Actually, no, the data is not going properly because the sorting is happening based on the general sort command here. So let's see how we can use that in betterly in our subsequent video. So I just created a cross-tab data type, and when I jumble the data are automatically updated. This is a dynamic array function for us. This is Vinod signing out from ISIL Academy, Excel User Series 3.0. Happy learning.